morning, everybody. The panelists were saying that was the most difficult session. Just think about what I am going to do. So I'll keep it short and sweet. First and foremost, thank you to all our speakers, all our panelists. I think it was a new event, a new thought process that we had about making sure that we build creative as a talking point. Indonesia's creative economy is now an economic imperative. We know about 1700 million rupiah is and 8% of the GDP of the Indonesia creative economy is growing, and it needs to be built. As it's building, what is very important is we need to make creative a strategic priority. What that really means is that it sits at the intersection of data and technology. Advertising and marketing used to be led by creative. Unfortunately, things did not pan out that way in the last few years. But creative is the most memorable and the most actionable part of advertising and marketing. Nobody remembers data, nobody remembers insights. People remember the creative, the emotion, the messaging. And that is really important, and we need to bring that storytelling back into all kind of advertising and marketing. And creative is also a business capability. It's not a responsibility of a department. When I say that, what I mean is the creative is redefining and should redefine the business priorities. It should work towards making sure that we are looking for impact from a future perspective. The storytelling that everybody speaks about, it's not only an imperative of the agency. Everybody working on a brand, everybody working on a campaign should look at creative. The insights that we got on some of the sessions today, I still remember the Vaseline session, the storytelling. It was all about the lady's story. And everybody, the brand, the Vaseline brand, the agency, the platform TikTok, everybody rallied behind the story. And I think that's really important. The data, the platform, the technology becomes an foundation to everything that we do. And also local culture. I think what is very important is Indonesia is big on local culture. The cultural depth in Indonesia is huge. And there are fair amount of creativity that can be built from that. The cultural nuance is building it inside out, and it can help build a lot more creative foundations for advertising and marketing as we move forward. And the world is watching. There are not many places where cultural references are used as much as they are done in Indonesia. So our opportunity was to build this into a creative day. We thought it's important to bring it to the limelight, make sure that we build some sort of momentum to bring creative to the center of marketing and advertising. And I think it is very important with more and more technology, more and more AI, more and more data being used. But those are means to the end. As I said, it's the storytelling which is really important. It's the emotions that connect with people. They don't connect with data, they don't connect with insights. They connect with stories. If we can build that back, bring that into the discussion, we can move a lot more of advertising and marketing forward. So with that, I'd like to say thank you to all the delegates, all the participants, all the panelists, esteemed board members here. And I hope this is a start of many more new discussions on creativity and the importance of creativity. Thank you, everybody.